Hello my dudes. Yeah, this is really not gonna be a design video. This is gonna be more like a cooking video. But surprise! We're gonna make this cake. And this is no bake cake, so we'll not need that one. So if you don't have an oven, which everyone usually have, you don't need it, you just need a fridge. But I guess if you don't have an oven, you shouldn't have a fridge. Equipment for this cake is gonna be a cake form, cake shape thing, measuring cup, small bowl, big bowl, icing pipes, scales, towel, some mixer, and if you don't have a stationary blender, you can just use this. I will use that. It comes together with this, so I don't really need standing blender. For the rest of the stuff, we will need whipped cream, cream cheese, sugar, icing sugar, vanilla extract, chocolate. I got 3 packs of Oreos just to be sure, and some butter. Step 1 is to oil this one up. Alright, we'll start with the paper. Well, I hope foil is fine because I didn't have any paper. Oil it up all over the place. Then we will put all these cookies in this thing. I think I could put them more. So there's like 1.5 this big packs of Oreos. And that is how my food processor looks like. Usually before I do something like this, I put the towel on the bottom so it doesn't make everything shake and it's just not that loud. Now we'll take this one. Let's take that. I'll put all of this in a bowl. It kind of looks like coffee. There's still some chunks, but I guess it's good. Now we will need 8 tablespoons of butter. We'll put them in a little bowl. So now we'll put it in the microwave. Yeah, if it looks like this, you can just put it for a bit more. We basically boiled it. So here we have our crushed Oreos and there's our butter. It's hot, so you have to be careful. So I will need to use both hands. Now you just have to mix it together. I think I added a little bit too much butter, but I hope it's gonna be alright. Next step is to just take this and put it in here. And then you just have to, as much as you can, equally just put it everywhere. So it's like a nice layer of Oreo crust. So when this is done, you just put it in the fridge. While we're gonna make the filling. So now we have our chocolate. Now we will mix some whipped cream. For filling, we need a bit more than 1 pack, and for topping, we need a bit less than a pack. So I think we will just add a bit more of this. Let's add 1 full one. Let's add a little bit of this. When it starts getting like this, you have to add some icing sugar or powdered sugar. I think there's no difference, it's the same thing. So we need 64 grams of this. Then you will take another bowl for our cream cheese, and then you just mix it out smooth. Then we will add some normal sugar. And 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And then you just mix it all together. Now we're gonna add that white chocolate. Now we will take our whipped cream. I'll mix it into our cream cheese. Now we just need to crush our 20 Oreos and add it to this. After that, it all goes in our crust. That's our cookies into our cookie crusher. Crust is nice and crusty. And then we're just gonna add this to the crust. That filling is delicious. I just licked my finger and oh my god, it's so tasty. I hope it's gonna harden up till the morning. It's gonna be nice and cakey. I covered it up with a cling film because I don't really want it to taste like fridge. Then we will just put it back in the fridge till the morning for like 3 to 4 hours. Cake have been in the fridge for more than it should. It's been there for like all day. So I was quite busy in the morning. Now we're gonna make the top of the cake. For topping, we will need our yesterday's leftover whipping cream. And they're just saying to mix it with 64 grams of sugar. But I'm thinking to add some more cream cheese, as I'm not really using it for nothing else. I have like half pack left. So let's put everything here. When it's starting to look like this, we're gonna add 64 grams of icing sugar. Let's start with 34 grams and then we can add the rest 30. And now the rest 30 grams. And now we're just gonna fold them together. Now we can take our grater and I will use this one to shred this piece of chocolate. So we have our chocolate done, our cookies with hot chocolate and cream. So we're just gonna put these in icing pipes and put it on a cake. So I just put our tip on and we're just gonna put it like this and roll it around the sides. Just like this. Now we're gonna put the cream in. And now we're just gonna roll it up and put it on cake. So first I put one thin layer of just cream, and now I'm gonna put on cookies and chocolate, and after that I will make some little, like, I don't know how they're called. You know, on the picture there's like little thingies. Yeah, I'll try to make those, even though I have never done it before. So our cookies and chocolate is on, and now I just have to make those little bulbs. So that's done. The bumps look quite nice, except they're perfectly not in the places where they should be, because I'm not good at it. Look at them themselves, they're so cute. Well, let's try to take a piece out of this. And that's how it looks. Nice. I would like it if it would be a bit firmer, but I'll just keep it in a form so it keeps the round shape. It looks nice. Well, if you want to try it, I'll put the recipe below so you can try it out if you like. Like, subscribe. Bye bye.